hierarchical structures.
Remember, if we go back again to 2023, yung understanding on the West Philippine Sea, understanding natin no arbitral award was zero. Ibig sabihin, nung lumabas yung mga issues no harassment sa West Philippine Sea, naglabasan yung mga experts, naglabasan yung mga ideas, and what it showed to us is that nobody knows the right information. And doon nag-start. Kaya nagkaroon ng mga ideas na taliwas, and it became a vacuum na pwedeng pasukan ng mga narratives ng iba. So this is what happened. Kaya yung, if you would notice what we're doing in the National Security Council at yung National Task Force West Philippine Sea, we started educating even media, the public, yun nga yung ginagawa rin ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. We went to Congress, we went to the politicians, we went to the academy, explaining and talking about what is our sovereign rights, what is arbitral ruling, where is the Philippine Sea. So, para po magkaroon ng iisang intindi at yung tamang intindi. So, yun po yung importante. So, to say na if na merong na-influensyahan, it is possible. We do not discount that. But again, it's a matter of them understanding really what is right, what is according to international law, and importante po, malaman nila, ano po ba yung national security interest natin? So, if all Filipinos know that what is our national interest, if all Filipinos know what we have to protect, then we know also kung ano yung paninindigan natin. So, ito, yung sinasabi niya, Oplan Mulat nila, it is awakening the Filipino people of our sovereign rights, the arbitral ruling, UNCLOS. So, it is maganda pong malaman at maintindihan po ng bawat isang Pilipino kung ano po ito.
Sure.